The following segment is sponsored by Ottalaus Salon. It is time to upgrade your hair game and transform it by adding length, volume, and style to your hair. Selena is here with an incredible giveaway from Ottalaus Salon. Welcome back. Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much for having me. This is super exciting for me.
Well, we always love when you guys stop by because we know that when we hear Ottalaus Salon, we're going to think we know quality immediately. So tell us about this incredible giveaway because you brought lots and lots of goodies.
I did. I brought everything. So this giveaway is super exciting. It's probably the best giveaway that I've heard of in the time that I've been there. We're giving away about $2,000 in both products and services, including the cost of hair extensions.
Okay, let's pause right there. $2,000 are coming to you absolutely free, and the quality of this hair is incredible. Let's talk a little bit about hair extensions because we've all seen good hair extensions, and I know we've all seen bad hair extensions, and it really does start with the hair itself.
It really does. So hair extensions are definitely an investment for sure.
They are.
If they were cheap, everyone would have them. But at our salon, we definitely want to make sure that we give our clients the best quality possible and really put our name behind it. So we have been through a bunch of different brands to make sure that we have the best quality, and by far our hair is the best one that we've tried.
I wish you guys could feel how soft this is. I was just like petting this before we started because it really is incredible, and you will have people there that know how to match the color and make it look flawless, but that's not all you're giving away. You're also giving away all this product as well. Why do these hair kits matter?
They definitely matter, especially just like even if you don't have hair extensions, what you put in your hair is really your insurance net for your hair. You want to make sure that you're using the best things to protect it. So you're getting this entire box of shampoo and conditioner from Oribe, which is our luxury line that we carry. It also comes with a body wash and a body cream as well.
Spa day right here in this box.
This whole beautiful box. And then you'll also get one of our amazing rock and ruddle brushes. These are amazing for extensions and also just for like tangly hair. It really helps smooth it out.
Because that's something that I learned is that you had to have a special brush for extensions because if you don't take care of the hair, then you might as well not have it because it really is that investment. Yep. So we've got all of these lovely things you're going to get. I know people are wondering, how do we enter?
Yes, so entering is super easy. All you have to do is book an appointment either over the phone or online. And after you make that appointment, you'll put in the code KUTV new guest and you'll be entered into the giveaway.
And then that's it. So I can come in and like get a blowout. You said like get a scalp treatment. So there's no like minimum purchase that I have to do. I just have to come on in and I can be able to enter in and win $2,000.
Absolutely. Yep. It's amazing.
Okay. This feels like a win-win. We only have about 30 seconds left. Why is Ottalaus the best salon in town? Why should we be coming to you guys?
I would say we put our clients first in every way. We want to make sure that our quality is the first thing that we're worried about. If we couldn't live up to it, then I don't think any of us would do it. So that's just definitely something we prioritize.
The passion behind everything you guys do. We love it so much. Now, all of the information is going to be on your screen. Make sure you can enter to win this fabulous hair. Selena, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're so welcome. Thank you for having me.
I think I need more hair.
Yeah, go for it.
Not quite a match. Not quite.
Not close.
Not quite.